Mr. Blackbird. Just put some worms out for them. Come on, Mr. Blackbird, don't be frightened. There's a robin there as well. Let's see if they'll come. They've already had some. Here's Robin. Here's Robin, he's going to come down. Oh, magpie. Oh, come on then. 2 magpies. Oh, the cheeky buggers, aren't they? Come on, Robin. This Robin and this Blackbird always seem to stick together. They always seem to be eating together. It's weird, isn't it? Come on, Robin. Oh, he's gone up higher. He must be scared of me stood here. Let me sit down. They might not be as scared if I sit down. Here we go. See if they come now. There's Robin on the shed. Mr. Blackbird's coming. There we go. Would have been good if I'd have cleaned the window before I put these worms out for him. Oh, them flipping magpies are coming again. Little tinkers, aren't they? I've changed position. Oh, here comes the robin. There you go. I knew he'd come down. I'm gonna have to sort them water baths, bird baths, so that they can all have some water. Oh, here's Mrs. Blackbird. Oh, come on, get your fill before them flipping magpies come back. Oh, I'm gonna have to sort them waters out for them. Don't really want to go out in that though. It's flipping snowing again. I don't know.